So, hello guys, we're here to give you the reviews of my, let's say, first luxury brand, which is Burberry wallet. So, actually, I bought it in Norway, like 2019, and it's more like 2,642 Norwegian kroner. And yes, it's real, so it's the receipt. I have all the documents, and it's really like nice. I mean, with this dust bag. So it's like 5 years, more than 5 years. So as you can see, it's really worth it. It's really worth to buy this type of wallet, as you can see. And oh, I have 5 euros, yes. So it's like this, and this is for the coins, yeah. And it's not too big and not too small. I mean, important is you don't have to put a lot of cash. I mean, I don't use a lot of cash in here. I usually put a lot of cards, like this one. Let's say 1, 2. So, you know, you can put as much as you want. And like this. It only have like 1, 2, 3 slot. And then this one, I use this for nothing. I mean, if I need to put some kind of receipt, you can put it here. And then the cash is here. So, yeah. As you can see, it's really... the sides are still perfect. So, yeah. It's worth it. After 5 years, it's still here. So, I hope you like this one too. And I'm still thinking to buy another wallet just for a change. But I don't plan to sell it because, you know, I keep everything here just in case I want to sell it like free love. But right now, I don't feel of selling it. So, yeah, I'll keep it. Thank you.